fishing.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go fishing.
We're going fishing. What are we gonna catch?
Fish.
Fish? Little fish or big fish?
Big fish.
Big fish, the size of Piper. What do you think? Can I catch a fish bigger than you?
Yeah.
You think so? I hope so. Well, let's see. What do you think, Dad?
Well, I'm hoping to find some sheepshead. We got fiddler crabs. We got shrimp. In case we can't find any sheepshead, we'll try to find some mangroves out on the wall or something. And we also got some clams. I've never tried those before. They say they're hard to keep on the hook, but we thought about trying those in a little bit too. So we got a lot of options. Still got some artificial bait too.
Hey, Dave.
We're just gonna go out here and see what happens. We're gonna get on some structure and see if we can find some fish holding.
Can I hold it?
The wind's blowing a little bit. It is colder than what we thought it was gonna be. I wore my shorts, so I'm kind of regretting that, but I got my jacket, so that helps. And we're just gonna go catch them. Raylan is hiding. He's watching recaps from sports there. Say hey, Raylan.
And he's cold.
Yeah, he's decided to stay warm. So we're headed out here. We're in beautiful Orange Beach, Alabama. And we're gonna see if we can find some fish holding. There's not a lot of people out today, so maybe we'll have some spots to ourselves. We'll see. Stay with us.
We're gonna go fishing today. It's fun.
Yay, it's so fun.
Bye, I love you. Come on. Wait. I love you. You love me. We catching big fish.
Woohoo, we're gonna catch big fish.
We're heading to the bridge.
Go to the bridge and see what's on the columns under the bridge.
And I'm gonna catch big fish.
You're gonna catch big fish.
The most big fish.
Here we go. Catch you at the bridge.
Picture fire.
What you got on yours, Daddy? Fiddler crab.
I said liar, liar.
Alright, we're dropping down right here on the pilings. Tide's starting to come in a little bit. It is a pretty heavy current today too, so don't know how long we can hang right here in this location, but it's definitely worth a try while we're here. Sinking it straight down. Not gonna go all the way to the bottom yet. I'm gonna stay up a little bit. Everybody in the back of the boat's getting their stuff ready. Mom's got a shrimp on first. I'm gonna let it sink pretty low this time. Alright, Raylan's hooked up. Oh man, that's a good one. Just don't let him get in that pile. Alright, I'm gonna lay my rod down. Go ahead and get this net.
Okay, real fast, real fast, real fast. Fast.
Oh, sheepshead, big. Oh, look at there. Good job, Raylan. Way to go. Way to go, bro.
That's solid.
That's a big one.
Good job. Go shoot it, Raylan.
Way to go, bro. That's a big one, ain't it? Raylan got that one on the regular jig. That's a good one, Raylan.
What you think about Raylan's fish, Piper?
That's a good one. You like it? You want to hold it?
Take it down there.
Put it in the cooler?
I'll hold it.
Well, let me just put it in the cooler. We're gonna eat that thing. Going in the cooler. It's a good catch, dude. Give me 5. Way to go.
Watch the boat.
Alright, let's drop back down. Where there's one, there's more, for sure. Rub it on this corner over here and see what happens. Tide's rolling in. It's really hard to keep the boat placed out here, so I don't know how long we'll be able to hang here, but we're going to continue it until it gets too hard. Dropping down right on the outside of that piling right there. See what we can get. Fred up there, you waiting on somebody to drop something so he can get a bite to eat, see? Alright. That was a big fish. I know there's got to be some more down there. We just got to get in right on top of them, put it in front of them. What do you think about it, Fred? Trying to get a bite? See that tide's pushing in, so if I pitch right here on the outside, I'll get right up under those columns. Probably where those fish are holding at. The big kicker is you got to stay out of the barnacles with this braid so you don't get broke off. That's a fish. Yeah, that's a fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. That's a good one. That's a good sheepy. Gotta get him out of there though. I gotta control the boat at the same time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on out of there, big boy. Oh man, I felt a pile. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Come on up out there. Come on up out there, big boy. Alright, there he comes. Oh. There he goes. Oh. Oh yeah. That's a drum. Yep. Black drum, still a good catch. Still my rod, Mom. Alright. That's a good catch. Might actually try to eat that one today. We hadn't had a black drum catch and cook before, so might actually eat that one. It's a pretty good fish. It's a nice fish. What do you think, guys? Y'all want to eat him? No? You don't want to eat him, brother? Throw him back? Sheepshead only? Alright, I'm down with that. See you later, buddy. Alright, let's get another fiddler crab hooked up. Find us a good one in there. There's a pretty good size. Uh-oh. Stay off the pilings. Let's see, we got our little crab there on our sheepshead jig. Shook him on, get him below the barb, and we'll send him back down. I'm gonna send it in that same spot because that current is pushing in, so get right there behind that piling. It'll send me straight down behind them. Key is it's not getting broke off by the piling though when that fish comes out. Come on. It's got me right on it where I'm sinking down at. Alright, another fiddler crab on. I had to cut myself off because I got wrapped around that piling like I was afraid of. I pitched a little too close to it and it went right down on a barnacle, I'm sure. So this time I'm going to go to this side and let it drift over a little bit off of it and go to the bottom and see if we can get on another sheepshead. Let it sink all the way to the bottom. Right in the center of both pilings here. Our time is definitely limited on how long we can stay right here in this one spot, fighting the current. Everybody's snacking. See, like right now, I don't think I'm on the bottom. I'm gonna let it down a little further. See what happens. What are you hollering at? Birds?
Yeah, birds.
Mom's hooked up. Mom's hooked up. Hey. Uh-oh. It's Pompano. Just flip it. Just flip it. Good job. Good job.
That one's kind of small, so you don't know.
I don't know. We're going to see. They got to be 12 inches total, so. Let's get that tape moving.
It's probably about 11.
Right there, it's laying right outside right there. Right there behind the pole. That one might not make it actually. Tip of tail.
It's hard to do.
Turn it around to the nose. Pull off his nose. Let me see it. Oh, it broke. It broke in two? Is that a foot? Oh man. Yeah, you got a foot right there. Here. Well, we broke our tape measure.
Girls, Piper, that's not safe. Please stop. Please stop.
What is it?
Tip of nose. 1 foot on the dot.
Perfect.
All right. Good job, Mom. We finally keeping the fish we're supposed to keep. Funny story, last week we didn't keep them. Let's measure it one more time. Let's measure it one more time to make sure. Right on tip of the nose. Pull the tape tight.
I got a hook.
Right on tip of the nose.
That's 12.
Huh?
It's 12 and a half.
Okay. All right, good job, Mom. Give me 5, Mom. Way to go. Oh, God. Oh, that's a good one. Hit the net. Let me kill the trolling motor. Hold up. It's a big old pompano. Oh yeah, fine eating right there. Fine eating. On my rod.
Sorry, it's not
Slime. Ah, calm down. See if we can help me get him on hook there. Alright. Nice pumping over there. On a sheepshead jig on a fiddler crab, so just so you know. Two pompanos and a nice sheepshead in the cooler. We decided to let the black drum go. I let Raylan make that call. He said we wasn't going to eat him, so that's what we went with. Mom's getting the mice down, fixing that up. We're going to turn back around and try one more time. Oh man, that's a good fighter. Gotta keep him out of my trolling motor. That's a big pumpkin. They ain't flipping. Oh, if I didn't flip him too far. I about flipped him in the cooler. Another solid pompano catch.
Alright, so it's got a scar on its
Uh-oh.
belly. You see it?
Yeah. You saw a crab? A big one? Mom's gonna release him right into the ice. Got my fish releasing wife there. That is awesome. That is at your service, she said. Which I am busy up here trying to keep the boat straight, so it makes a big difference trying to pay attention to that. Good job, thank you. Definitely biting, but I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, I got one. A good one. Gotta get the trolling motor going so I can get away from the wall. That was a weird bite, but a good one though. Oh, he's tugging. That's got to be a black drum. Ooh. Oh, he's diving. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. That's a good fish. Whatever it is, it's big. It's got to be a big black drum. Oh, my gosh. Oh, that's a big fish. What is that? That's a redfish. That's a big red. Oh, don't go back. Don't go back. It's a big red. Oh, stay with me. Stay with me, baby.
Okay, hold on.
Stay with me, baby. Oh, look at that. Big red. Big donkey. Mom about fell down again.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I gotta turn the boat out. That is a good one. All right, we gotta measure it, make sure it's not too big.
Well, that's gonna be difficult with the
Oh gosh, I forgot.
the rope tape measures. I mean, we can piece it together. I made sure it didn't go up.
Let me get where I can float off the wall.
And I guess we can just subtract whatever we're doing.
All right, let me stab my rod up. It's a good fish.
We could start at 18. Measure and then subtract 18.
That was a heck of a fight.
No.
Is it big?
14 to 40.
Is it big? Can you keep it?
Huh, we're out here with a broken tape measure. Go figure that.
Can you?
26 on the dot. That's the top of the slot. Alright. Back with a crab because that did not work for long.
Go to the sand spot.
Maybe in a minute, darling. Gotta carry these kids over to play on the sand in a minute. We'll kind of regroup. Some sandwiches. Oh yeah, right there off the wall. Didn't hit the wall, knocked my crab off, which is good. I'm bad about doing that. Mom's got one. Pompano, flip it.
Ah! It's like something that is not. That's not no big fish, Mom.
Apparently, it's still gonna be a keeper.
Calm down. Calm down. Oh, Pompano's grunting. Oh, he's like 11 and a half. Yeah. All right, good catch, Mom. Another Pompano. Y'all silly. Y'all silly. Got one on. I don't know what it is. Kind of feels not as big. Let's see. Not as big. No, it's a little grunt. Multi-species today, of course. One of those little grunts. Y'all hear him grunting? Little grunt. Grunting for the camera. Pretty cool catch. Going back. All right. Real good morning of fishing, I tell you. We got a top of the slot redfish, a big sheepshead, 3 pompanos. We released another pompano, a couple of grunts, and then we decided not to keep the black drum that we had, so released him also. So we came over to the island. Mom is making sandwiches. Got my sandwich here. Real good, thanks Mom. I was hungry. And the kids are doing what they love. They love to get out on the islands, play in the sand, look for treasures and everything. So they're living their best life. So we're gonna take a little intermission here, a little break. I just seen a ghost crab pop up over there. We caught a ghost crab last week and then went back to release him, and he jumped out of the bucket and he knocked himself out. It was terrible. So sad. But we're out here, the tide is rising. So while the kids enjoy themselves, more than likely I'm gonna start fishing again. See what I can catch out here. There might be a redfish sneaking around out here when the tide rising like this on this flat. So I'm probably gonna put a shrimp on, toss out there and see what I get. I'm out here to fish, but kids gotta enjoy their time too. They enjoy the island time. So it's fun to watch them. We're gonna have a good time and see if we can't put a few more fish in the box, because funny story, last week we caught a bunch of pompanos and we read the rule wrong. First time we'd ever really caught pompano, and we thought they had to be 12 inches to the inside of the fork. Well, turns out they got to be 12 inches total. So yeah, we threw a lot of them back, but you live and learn. Still good to be a good sportsman. I mean, we could have frozen them and we would have definitely ate them, because pompano is good eating. But we got 3 today, so we're happy. Happy. Kids are happy. They're living their best life. So you gonna build a sandcastle?
Yeah.
Piper?
I'm building a sandcastle.
You gonna build a sandcastle? Okay.
Oh, you're fine. You two are.
She's so cute. Addison,
Addison.
I love you, cutie.
I love you.
I love you. All right, I'm gonna finish off this sandwich. See what's biting out here.
I'm just gonna start mine.
All right.
Mom's last.
And of course, the kids didn't finish their sandwiches and they have attracted birds. Living their absolute best life. Addison was over there trying to hand feed the seagulls.
Looks like Pike's trying to catch him.
Yeah. Come here, bird.
I love it when we park the boat and they get to play. You trying to catch a bird? Oh no, you fell down.
Bread. Have some more bread. Have some more bread.
I think that's all we got, bud.
That was just the crust from the sandwiches y'all ate. We're not wasting bread. No, buddy.
Give everybody one.
Well, I haven't gotten a bite over here yet that I know of. I got my rod in the rod holder. I busted up a clam and put a clam on the hook this time to try it out.
Hey Addison, look over.
Alright, we had a fun little island time. Kids had fun burying each other in the sand. Had a seagull swarm. And then we had a visitor, old Free, that came over to see what we had going on. He's been hanging out for about 30 minutes. I guess he thought we might feed him or something. Hey Fred, what you know good, man? Ooh, that water's cold on my toes. So yeah, we're about to head out. Mom's getting everybody ready. I'm gonna push us off, and then we're gonna try to probably pitch a few docks and see if just happen to have any sheepshead hanging on them or not. And then we'll go over to a spot where we usually catch a lot of grunts and maybe a mangrove or two. Usually the mangroves are always like 10 inches. They got to be 12 in Alabama, so that's a bummer. In Florida, you can keep the 10 inchers, which is prevalently what you catch every time you go fishing around here. So it's hard to find a 12, but we might try to see if we can find some of those, and then we're gonna pack up and head home. Try to leave the water. It's 1:50 right now. We'll probably try to head back to the truck about 3:30. Get back before dark so we can clean the fish, and then back to school tomorrow. The kids had a week off for Thanksgiving, and Mom had a week off from work, and everybody's got to go back to reality. And then we start basketball next week, so that should be fun. All right, Fred. It was good hanging with you. We're about to dip out, bro. See you later. Y'all ready? All right, pushing off.
You are.
Man, that is cold on my toes. And off we go.
What's up?
The old tide has risen.
You guys follow me this.
Trusty Suzuki. Safety switch hooked up. All right, Fred, bye again. We're gonna go around and hit up some docks around here on the cove, around the corner, and then we'll go to our little spot where we've caught mangroves in the past. Some other folks over enjoying the island.
Oh, we got some.
You got something? What'd you get?
I'm gonna get back on Mama's lap. Okay. Well, can I get back in your lap? I'm gonna do that to you. What I did again, and you're gonna hold me. Okay?
Oh, get up in there. Come on. Slide under there. Slide to Mama. You holding her? No, how sweet.
All right, it's been a good day, but it is 3:44 and it gets dark at 5 o'clock now pretty much, and the sun's already behind the clouds, so we're gonna call it a day. Had a good day. We got a nice redfish, top of the slot. We got a big sheepshead railing caught. We got 3 pompanos, so we got plenty of fish to eat. And then trailer, and then
I got a shark on a long time ago.
Yeah, we did.
And a couple of our fish.
I did.
And,
I did too.
being as we don't have anything for supper yet, we might go ahead and eat a couple of them for supper tonight, because fresh fish is hard to beat. So just follow us. We're going out, headed out to the house. See y'all later.
Huggy.
Just like that, the kids are loaded. Now it's time for the boat. That's perfect. Hook it and lock it.